This is why you need to master strategic decision-making. Transform your leadership style and drive success like never before. Our comprehensive course covers everything you need to excel in today's competitive business world. From understanding the business environment to mastering the art of strategic choices, you'll gain critical insights to lead with confidence. Explore theoretical frameworks and holistic decision-making approaches that align with your organization's goals. Delve into real-world applications and case studies, and uncover the psychological aspects of decision-making that can make or break your strategy. Networking and collaboration are key components of effective leadership. Our course empowers you to build valuable relationships and a strategic toolkit for continued growth and reflective practice. Join aspiring leaders, managers, executives, and professionals who are taking their careers to the next level. With personalized guidance from seasoned experts, you'll transform your decision-making skills and lead with clarity and purpose. Enroll today and start your journey to becoming a strategic and effective leader. Unlock your leadership potential now.